Hi, I'm Leslie, and I'm so excited to introduce you to the newest dimension in outdoor holiday decorating, the Mr. Christmas and GE Outdoor Lights and Sounds of Christmas. Use your own outdoor lighting decorations to the limits of your imagination. Following the wattage limitations in your instruction manual, plug your extension cords into each of the 6 outlets on the unit. Your Outdoor Lights and Sounds of Christmas plays in 3 different settings: multiplex, unison, and steady on, 20 different songs in all. Plug in your lights, turn up the music, and watch all the action.